shore in which you can easily
Distinguish. Distinguish.
distinguish
Oh.
and
Distinguish.
components or wherein the components retain their pieces in cool non-uniform or heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures have a main components or a base ingredients. Each is the most abundant component. The other components are mixed into it. The base ingredients determine a lot of the mixture's property. The added ingredients also bring in their individual properties into the mixture. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.